Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need the right permissions first, owner or manage server. Once confirmed, open Discord on desktop or in a supported browser. Mobile UIs differ and can hide options. Next, click the server name in the top left to reveal the menu, then choose server settings. This is where roles and member labels live, so start here. It's the gateway to removing the crown icon. Make sure you proceed on desktop for full control, then move to roles in the next step. Once in roles, identify the role causing the crown display or the owner label. You can drag roles to reorder hierarchy, lower the role below others to stop it showing elevated status in member lists. Alternatively, edit role permissions to remove display priority like administrator or role color prominence. If reordering won't help, create a neutral role, copy permissions, then assign it to users and remove the problematic role. This clears display artifacts. Make sure to save changes and verify member list updates. Finalize by saving role edits and refreshing Discord. Often the icon disappears after a reload or after affected users relog. Double-check the audit log to confirm your changes applied and to track who edited roles. If the crown icon still appears, clear the app cache or try the desktop client versus browser. Sometimes client-side caching shows stale icons. As a last resort, gather screenshots and timestamps, then contact Discord support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.